On this episode, I'll show you how to create these pendants using Pebeo paints. I conditioned and rolled out a small piece of black clay with my clay machine set at number 1. I pressed my Judikins clay squisher into the clay with an acrylic roller. I cut out 2 teardrop pendants. I cut out holes using my round hole punch cutter. You'll see later in the video that I covered the holes. I baked the pendants at 275 degrees for 15 minutes and then let them cool completely. I placed the pendants on my gel press printing plate. Then I poured a small amount of treasure gold on the gel and using my brayer, I rolled out the paint. Make sure you have the barest amount of paint on your brayer and lightly roll it over each pendant. Let that dry. Using a bamboo skewer, I gently mixed the turquoise Fantasy Moon paint and applied it to various areas on each pendant. It's important to say here, do not shake the paint bottles. Gently swirl to get the correct effect. I let the painted pendants dry overnight and then applied 2-part epoxy resin to each one. Including my test pendant. To remove the bubbles, I carefully blew hot air over them with my embossing heat tool and touched up the edges with the mixing stick. Once the resin dried completely overnight, I glued gold bales to the back of each pendant.